Screen is visible now? Hello?
Yeah, visible, sir.
Yeah, so what do you mean by
Zoom, sir.
just a minute, just a minute.
Visible, sir.
Yeah, fine. So this is a just T code. What is the process? We just entering the T code. So I thought that yesterday I given the relevant to the definition. What do you mean by inventory? So physical inventory. So can you tell me, anybody? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So physical inventory. So it is what? So it is comparatively what is the system stock and what is the physical stock. So you have to compare both the stock and you have to update the and you have to inform your programmer. So who those are responsible to that particular products. Okay, so how you map in Nest4 Runner, so I will show you the T. These are the T code we have to. If suppose they're having in the system, so they have to show create how many stocks are there. They will check in physically. So then they will create when the store person will do this work, and they will count the how many stocks are there. After that, if they want to print, and they will take the print, and if they any missing count, he will recount, and there is any difference, it will show. So at the end of MI0 T code, you have to get that one. So in the theoretically, we can say like a physical inventory management is the process of physically counting the inventory stock. Means inventory is nothing but the stock. How many stocks are there in a store or location to verify uh, that the system in the inventory stock and physically inventory stock, okay, and whether the quantities are equal, either do not have any difference. So that is the, so in the sense we can call it as a physical inventory management process. Okay, if there is any difference in the stock quantities, then we should post it into the system. Okay, so and many countries required a law that companies take a physical inventory of their material stock. Means, hello, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, why? Because while transferring the stocks without invoice, means it is a law to companies, every company law. So how many stocks are there to follow that they're maintaining the stock balance. Okay, so it will control the company financial and profit way. So it will shows the, will come to the editing, so editor. So editing, we're doing the editing. So if there is any missing the stocks, so every year, so the turnover they will shows. Okay, because they pay to the company will pay to the tax to the government. Okay, so everything should be, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, it's also important for a internal reason, like you can to establish the correct stock quantities on hand. Okay, if there is any incorrect stock, the data lead to fault availability in the figures. Means it will shows the figure. So it is any stocks or not there, it will system will shows, and after that you can balance the stocks. Okay, I will take some other material, and before going to check, the, the material must be exist in the plant and the store location, and count, go for physically and how many stocks are there. Okay, as per the physical stock is 10 quantity, you can come and enter in the system. So maintain in physically also, in system also you can maintain 10 quantity like that. Okay, so this is a process. So physical inventory process using the T code MI01 to create the physical inventory. Okay, and count MI04. And if you want to print, MI21 is the print. And if you want to recount, whether you are not able to properly check, and you have to recount MI11. So in the difference, it will show MI07 once you input the plant and store location from that particular material. So it will store the entire difference. Okay. So let's go to the, hello. Hello. Guys, I'm audible,
Yes,
no?
sir. Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So just a minute.
Yeah,
I will,
audible, sir.
yeah, I will show in the system. So first, what you do? So here also you can do. So there are two way you have to do. Here also you can go directly T code. Also you can do. So I will show here directly. Okay, after that material management. and inventory management. Okay, so to that, sorry, physical inventory. Okay, and that, see, MI01 is the T code to create the physical zero. Okay, and print for this one, MI21 is the print. And if you want to count, so enter the recount. Okay, and if you want to display, change. So if you want to difference, you can show the T code using the post difference. You can post the difference. Okay, so let me check. Okay, first what we will go, so I will go and take some material. So how many materials are there in store location? So I will go and check it. Okay, just a minute. So MMBE is the T code to see. MMBE. Okay, I will take ST9. So you can just check how many stocks are there. Okay, write down ST9. ST9 having 100 quantities, 100 sheeted having 100 quantities. If suppose I put 90, so difference will to 10. Okay, so I will show you how it is there. You can take ST9. Remember this one, ST9 100 quantity. Okay, first I will go and create here. Okay, under this plan. So okay, so input the plant store location. So just go for this one. Yeah, I forget the store locations because it will show store locations must and should. Under the store location, how many stocks are there, that will go for here. So here you can input the material. So ST9, just first what do you just create the, I think just a minute, I record or not, or let's check. I share the screen now. Screen is visible now, guys.
Yeah, visible, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, recorded the session. Okay, right.
Visible, sir.
Yeah, fine. So what I will do, so here I will input the material ST9. Okay, so ST9 our material. So test material. Okay, so and one more material. Just enter. It will go to next one, and one item at one it will hide. So next enter. Just see. Next it will take second item 2. What is next material? So I will go and search for another material. 11 2. Okay, let me take the one. Okay, so recipe 01. So in a spare material. So I will not take, or will take different one. And then I am going to store location 171A. Okay, guys, I'm going 171A. The which store location you want, you can go ahead. No issue. Okay, RTP having one material. Remember RTP. So what are the material I be enter? Just remember RTP1, RTP, and first one is ST9. Okay, come back and go for some other material. Okay, so this is in different store location. Let me check. Okay, this is also in different store location. Okay, so enough. Only 3 materials be enough. Let me check what it will shows. So remember, so what are the material we enter? So just remember, okay. So after that, you can save your physical inventory document is created. Okay. So your inventory document is created. Write down this inventory document, the physical inventory document. So what are the material we have to count? So first one is ST9, and what is the second one? Hello, ST9. So some XYZ. What are the material we enter? Remember
RTP,
RTP. Then
CP7.
CP7. Okay. So this is our physical inventory document created. Okay. So and then after that you can come back. So then I will go if you want to print. So because still we are not counted, so you can go for the print. So just I'm showing for the print. So see, system will take the physical inventory document number along the client. Okay. So after that, okay, click on here. It will shows company. See ST9 RTP. Remember only two material we taken. Okay, ST9 and RTP. Hello,
Okay.
RTP. Remember. So if you confuse, you can just check it in print preview. So what are the material we enter? Please write down that material RTP and ST9. Okay. So then what I will go. So we have to enter how many stocks there. Go for count. So system will automatically take the physical inventory document. Okay. Today I'm going to count. Okay. So after that you can go for here. Okay. See ST9 how many materials are there? Yes, RTP how many materials are there? You just enter here. Okay. So I will unfortunately I enter some miss quantity. So let me check how many stocks are there. ST RTP how many stock RTP? So one stock. Okay. So I will enter RTP directly one. Means it is post difference is 0. Means there is no difference is there. So it is 0. And here I will enter an ST9. Is 100. So now I will enter 90. What is system will say? Let me check. Means the remaining 10 are difference. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Once you enter, then save it. Okay. So you are counted for this inventory document. So system is sure you are counted. Okay. So once you counted, come back. Once you counted, so then you can go and post the difference. MI07. See, this is the post difference. Inventory miss out of 100, 10 quantities are impure or something. I'm sure you can enter here also. See, system it shows 100 or see 10 is difference. Difference quantity is 10. Okay, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The system asks what is the reason you for 10 quantity, whether it is poor or bad. So once you receive the stock from different multiple customer vendor, so as per the customer send 100 stock is ready, okay fine, and 10 are bad quantity or poor quantity or damage. So for that you can go and choose any option either in sorry. Here see material quantity, credit or shrink, what is a see these are n number of reasons with respect to movement type. So okay, so you can choose anyone for what is a for proper reason. Sometimes it is a poor quality, it is damaged. Okay, so let me take, I will take poor quantity, 10 quantity or poor quantity. So this is automatic account determination is linked, so that is the reason. So inventory and GBB, it is not possible. So if you don't do that, if you don't select in the system, it will shows at the end. I will show you. Come back. It will not take, because in the automatic account determination, go for any message, it will come. So account determination for entry. So you can write down this one. You can send the error always. I told everyone. Okay. So what do you do? Go for OBYC and enter this one and click on this one, INB and 1210. Write down this one error. Okay. So sometimes it is not present, so that is the reason it will break. Hello guys. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Adibana, how to resolve this error? I already told you. How to resolve this error? No, because what is the purpose? See, here is our plant is 1201. So because its validation class grouping code is not activated, so that is the reason it is gives an error. Okay, I already told you how to go and fix this kind of error. So go for OPYC. After that, enter the chart of account YCOA. After that, input the valuation grouping code and valuation class with respect to take one debit and credit. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So now I will not do. Just I will check it. Just a minute. We'll come back. We'll go for further next one. Let me check. Okay, so I will directly go and see in a difference list. Okay, here I will show you. Okay, this is our document. You can click on here. This means what is the document with respect to this plant under the store location. So how many materials we enter? Here you can go for the option. So multiple. Okay, the system is asked. Posted, recounted, everything. So here what is the material? RTP, RTP1, sorry, RTP and one more is ST9, na?
ST9.
Yeah. So after that you can click on this. Okay. So here it will shows the green symbol. Means its system will take both two material. Okay, for executing. After that you can select in the both in the below. You can select here. Okay. Once you select, just execute. Means system will shows entire how many materials supposed to see. Here you see. Hello. Hello, am I
Yes,
audible?
sir.
Yeah.
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 Here, this is your plant under the store location. So you counted. So you book 100 quantity. So 90 quantities you counted, and remaining 10 quantities difference. So out of why it is so for amount is different. So one material having 10 rupees, total 10 difference is 10 into 10 100. Okay. So system will shows everything. Here there is no difference. Everything is fine. So that is the reason it will shows one quantity we book and one quantity is counted and the difference is 0. So there is no difference when the amount also system is shown like this. Okay, this is the process you have to do. The hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay, so just a minute. Yeah, hello. Hello.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So once you go ahead,
Sir.
hello. Tell me who.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, that execution, in execution, sir, difference, A and T something, it is 100, sir.
Sorry. Can I go
Sir,
ahead
difference
once again?
amount is,
See,
Yeah.
I will go ahead once again. See, and select. Okay, see, now it is not select. So again, I will go here, OTP and ST9. Okay. Okay. After that, select this one and this one. Tell me, Sharat. Now.
Sir, difference A and D, difference quantity is 10, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Difference A and D is 100 means.
Yeah, this is means in the material quantity. So one material having 10 rupees. Okay.
Okay,
Hello.
amount difference.
Yeah, amount difference. This is an amount difference.
Okay, sure.
See, while doing in the metal master, we create the metal master and post the material. So one piece of material having 10 rupees. Okay. So system will consider along with amount with respect to quantity also. So means the price is also difference. Nah? Here it is
Okay.
shows difference along with quantity as well as amount price. Here in the below the second one, here it is no difference. So that is the reason it shows as 0. There is no difference.
Oh, okay, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, fine.
No, sir.
So this is the process. We just do this process. So this is a physical inventory. While doing this process, if you are any getting that kind of error, please send me. Okay, I will fix it that kind of error. So that is the process. You have to do this one. Okay. Okay, this is one concept. And okay, just a minute. I will recall one more topic relevant to for MMFI integration. So that is okay, material ledger activation. Okay. So this is scenario is very important. This is teamwork. Okay, guys, I'm audible.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
This is very important topic. It is in mandatory in S4 HANA. It is mandatory material ledger activation. Well, coming to the ECC, it is not mandatory because they are not maintained in material. Means how many day-to-day material is created and what is the stock posting day and what is the current value and future value. So everything should be recorded in the well maintaining the material ledger activation. Okay. So remember in ECC it is not mandatory. It is not mandatory. Okay. So
Okay.
ECC is not mandatory. So in S4 HANA is mandatory. Okay. So what do you mean? See here I mentioned. So material ledger is a tool. Sorry, just a minute. So material ledger is a tool used to manage your inventory. Means now we manage. So now we counted the material, how many material. So entire process it will show your currency. So not only for you. So it is relevant to for FICO financial accounting. So we will define different currency. So based on that, I'm just giving so how they will map. So in the overview, I'm just going for the material ledger in the activation. So it is teamwork they will doing. They will set the means under the plant, under the store location, having a material. So means the material is active or not. So where we can see this process here, we see in the material ledger activation. Go for MM03. Okay, so okay RTP. So we will go for accounting view. See here is material ledger price where analysis. This is activated. Then only the system will take this year how many materials is created. So it is day-to-day activity. How it is ledger? You know the what do you mean by ledger, Mr. Virath and Vivek? Hello, hello.
It's like a record we put a date.
Yeah, it's like a day-to-day activity to what are the whether it's a number of material, number of PO, what are the inventory, how many stock and how many profit, or everything accounting and in the transaction it will be shows. So along with respect to material, with respect to quantity, with respect to price also. Okay, so these are the process to see. So this is FICO and some currencies with respect to. So he will define the ones he will define as MM persons, they will assign also. Sometimes FICO also will define to assign for different currency, foreign currency, local currency. There are four types of currency: hard currency, foreign currency, local currency, like that currency. Based on the currency, they will set that one. If it is you are only working in the global client, so the scenario will come. So I will go through in a system, then if you know. So here it will go, first we will go for this system. We have to define currency. Means in the currency, it is a T code directly, FinSec ledger. It is the direct means we have to go and see the what is the currency types are there and what is the currency. You see, he will setting the check for FICO. He will do the currency checking. So and as after that, as we know already OMS2 T code. What is the T code for OMS2? Sharath and Vivek, what is the purpose we are using T code for OMS2? Hello.
Material type.
Exactly. Okay, so that is the material type. So here you have to know. So we have to go for OMS2. Here you have to go and check it. All material type is activated OMS2. Okay, so after that you can select any one raw material or semi-finish. So which is your material type? Okay, we're going to the real-time scenario. They're defining the all material type. After they will select and check the quantity and value update. If the quantity and value is updated, then only system is allowed for material activation. Okay, this is the second step. See, so what is our plant? Sharath 1710 our plant. Okay, hello.
Yeah, okay, sir.
See,
Yeah.
if it is not activated, the system will show means you're not counted also, you're not evaluated also. Then how the system will respond for material activation means you're not doing the activate means it is not counted also. So that is the reason. So you should be activated. This quantity and value must be activated. Okay, for your particular material type, raw material, semi-finished, finished material, like that. This is second step. Okay, so I'm just showing for everything overview. Okay, relevant to this metal ledger activation process. Okay, it is a teamwork to do this process. I'm just no don't need to disturb as standards in your real time scenario. Everybody will be involved. Okay, hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after that, what is the next step is to so what is the next step means once you check for quantity and value update your material type, then you can go for define one material ledger type means using the T code is there. So you just know the knowledge about it. Okay, so no need to worry. See, once you done OMST quantity and value update, then you can go for OMX to T code. You have to define a material ledger type. Okay, hello, you just remember these three T codes. Okay, in the interview definitely they will ask any one question relevant to, okay, how to activate the material ledger activation. So you can just using one or two T codes, so you can tell me the T code name, that's it. So they will not do the configuration for your support project. Okay, so already in the implementation project it's teamwork, they will take care of it. Okay, I will show you means
Okay.
how they will define the material type, sorry, material ledger activation. So I will show you just a minute. So using the G code OMXT2. Okay, so OMX2. Okay, see here your material see there are n number of material type are there. So sorry, material ledger type are there. So here n number of material type you can just select and check it for raw material, different material they are different. So I will not do anything. So here the currency they will be different. FICO is assigned to this one currency, company code currency. Okay, so what about our 1710? So our 1710, this is our material, what is our called material ledger activation type. This is ours. So here we define only two currencies, maybe let me check. See, okay, so company code currency and group currency. It is a combination of currency they will define. So you just check it whether the currencies are there. I will show you in the next step. Means once you define this material ledger, so in the real time, so it will be generated in the material ledger material type you define once you're done. So based on the type of currencies. So after that you can go to the next step is to assign this. See, once you define this here using OMX2, you can define 10 hard currency, local currency, 10, 20 index currency, some different currencies are there. Okay, so and remaining something 40 currency. So one more currency are there. Okay, so once you define that, after that, once you defining, we have to assign, means how to this material currency, means based on the currencies it will run them. Okay, so I will show you next one. So here it is select here, so it is currency conversion. So the group currency, if it is a group currency, if it is the company code currency, based on that it will run. Okay, so currency types will define, they will. So the next step is OMXT2, means we have to assign this material ledger type. Okay, we have once we define, we can go for OM. All are same T code, OMX2 and X3 and X1. Okay, there are three T codes. Remember OMX. So remember OMX3, OMX3, OMX2 is the defined material type. Sorry, material ledger type. So on OM after that we have to assign. Go for OMX3. So it means OMX3 is the T code. See here, always you remember, always while doing any metal master, you're facing some issue in the material activation. So you have to remember the T code OMX3 T code. Okay. After that, see valuation area means, what do you mean by valuation area, Mr. Vivek and Sharat? Hello. Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Valuation area, anything, do you know? It is nothing but what? I think Vivek, Sharat.
Plant, I think.
Exactly. Valuation area is nothing but plant. Okay. Means where we evolve with the area, either in the sense processing the goods and inventory counting. So what are the process we have done in the plant? Okay. So you have to check under your plant the material ledger activation is there or not. You can check. If it is not activated, the system is to write currency. The means in the material ledger currencies are not allowed for PICO. See, allowed in FI, financing and controlling. So these are responsible to do this one. So I'm just showing for this for the sake of knowledge for this one. See, this is our material ledger type. So I already told 001 is our material type. Sorry, material ledger type. So once you define, here we have to assign. See, this is our client and this is our company code. Okay. Sharat and Vivek.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay, sir.
This is our client and this is our company code. Okay. In real time, so FICO will take care about it, and you also both the teamwork will be take. Here, if it is currency is not active, means it depends on the currency. Okay, they will activate that one. Okay. And don't worry about it, you will be deploying the support project, so not for the implementation project. Okay, so in the up to level, so then only you can check. What about the next step is whether this activation means, once you done this, once you assign this material ledger type, then if after that you can go for that. So we have to activate this one. So how to activate this? Using the OMX1. So remember OMX1, OMX2, OMX3. So I am telling for reverse, you can remember OMX2, OMX3 and OMX1. So means we have to activate this one using OMX1 is the cheat code to activate the material ledger. Okay, so here you have to go for your valuation area. So here you have to activation of material ledger. So just go. So here you can enter the price. Okay, first you can go for the your plant. I'll show you. So this is our plant 1710. So, and this is our company code and this is our material ledger code. Okay, so here you can check. If you tick on this one, your activation is ready. If you are untick, your material is not created. Okay, guys. Hello.
Yes,
Yeah, okay.
This is the material ledger activation. You can tick on your material is activated and give the price. So the price determination too, it is like a transaction code. Okay, transaction base. We want for the transaction. See, this transaction base. Okay, and single or multiples it is there. Always you can choose the transaction base. Okay, so once you done this one, so after that they will say this one. Okay, already say this one, so you can come back. So you can go and check it. MM03. So whether the material ledger is activated or not, is RTP. Okay, I will select only in the accounting view. I already told for price determination too. Okay, and it is a transaction base. See, here is there Sharat and Vivek. So this is your transaction base. Okay, because we are setting in that OMX1 T code. Okay, So you can, if it is in the ticking, means then only it is activated. Material ledger is activated. Okay, guys. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So then only means we just always use the T code OMX1. Okay, no need to do for every all T code. We just always use for OMX T code. We're doing the any matriculation, whether is activated or not. Okay, OMX1 T code. You can just go here. You can check what is your plant and what is your company code. Okay, and OMX1 and material ledger type. This one also in the system it will score. If the error will come, it will shows your material ledger type. Okay, and then you can assign the material ledger. You can go for company and so company code and plant, and the system gives an error if it is in the material ledger. So they take enter the material ledger type, and after that you can click on. Once you click on, then you can click on this activation button. So then the error is fixed. Okay. So and then finally we can check the settings. Means whether your plant under the plant this settings is there or not. There is one more T code um, that is CK M9. Okay, this is the T code to check whether our plant under the plant and the store location. So the store location stock. Well, during the stock, it is like a material. So the material ledger is activation. How many materials are activated, and we have to set enter the process. Okay, first what do you do? So first we have to define on currency setting. Check there is a currency setting for different currency setting. So that is out currency, index currency, so different group currency. Based on the currency they will define. After that your responsibility to check for whether the material type is quantity and value is updated or not. That is second step. And third step you have to define when material ledger type. So okay, means material ledger type in the sense in the group currency, art currency, like that you can select OMX2. This is go for OMX2, and they want to define material ledger type, and then after that you can assign that material ledger type to that valuation area, means plant. Okay, after once you assign that valuation area to the valuation area for material ledger type, so means in the under the plant how many stocks are created, so the material ledger is assigned. So which ledger activation is 00 or 1 is the ledger activation. And then we'll move to the next step, OMX1. You can just go for the whether the material ledger is activate or not. You should always remember OMX1 T code to remember. So check the material ledger activation with respect to valuation area. Okay, so always remember one T code OMX1. Okay, and then under your plant it is there or not, you can go for CKM9 is the T code setting. I mean this is the settings. Okay, so once you enter CKM9, it will shows see in your plant whether the material ledger is activated or not. So system is on input your plant. Okay, so see this is display of account relevant activity. So once you click on here, it will shows this is the your activation code is, it will shows. So under your plant valuation is anything but your client. Under the client, so your client, based on the client, so it will shows the ledger is activated, material ledger is activated. And see the moving average price, the logic is also activated. And see, so not binding for the settlement for the controllings and dynamic price reason. So we are not this one as any, so that is the reason it is unselected. And we are selected for standard chart material updated structure, and it is in the year of C. It will shows the ML productive since in 2017. It will shows. Okay, so here we have assigned the company code with respect to. So here it will shows our chart of account and physical year. Okay, K for your physical year, and today is month of 6th 2023, and the purchasing accounting process is active. Okay, so accounting, see all are activated. You can check CKMs. There are two code. I will always remember. See, these are all our material. Okay, so material ledger changes prices, one step material. So everything should be shown. See here with respect to transaction and account determination and valuation area. Okay, so here it will shows your who are the person is responsible to use this user. Okay, your username. So it will show. Suppose if a Sharat is there, Sharat they having getting an username and password, he it will show his name. Okay, and then what is the transactions will be done here. You have to check for your settings there. Okay, Guys, hello.
Yeah, okay.
Don't be nervous. You just be always one T code, OMX1 T code. Under the plant is activated or not, and if it is not activated, you just go for OMX1 and just do the activation. If the error will come, please forward with me. So we have to fix it. That one. Okay. Now we are not. Yeah, it is in. We already don't disturb for the setting for currencies. So that is for FICO. In real time, FICO will take care about different currencies. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, so and one more thing, so if you want to, sir, I need this complete report for this the particular material. Either you can, there is one more T code that is I forgot, I think. Let me check in the Excel. Okay, so yes, this one. Okay, finally we can check one T code is there. So that is CKM3. Okay, CKM3. Either you can go for the Migo screen also. Means in the Migo, what are the, means how many stocks are moved, how many quantities are moved, and what is the financial and accounting we are seeing. Same like this one also. Okay. Hello, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the Migo, go for in the Migo screen. Okay, if there is any display, any material document or there, it is not there. Okay, once you click on here, it will show serial documenting. So okay, you can go for financial documenting here. And so already it is there, it is already posted in the accounting document. That is, it is not shown. So I will show you in the directly. This is one step to do the, means once you done the, to post the GRN, so it will shows for your financial and accounting activity. Okay. So here is a T code to check for what is CKM3 is the last T code to check entire report for a particular material or what under the plant. Okay. So here if you once you enter, see here your material is there. Okay. Here your material OTP material. So now recently we check for OTP material. What is, so you can check for your material. Okay. So after that, if you input your material, so if you have any doubts regarding that particular material under the plant, how many material are activated and how many transaction will happen. So for that you can just input your material here. Okay. So here this is I put RTP or some material, system will automatically say. So and input the plant, and here it will come. So your period. Okay. So it is in the 5th month. So you can go for next month. 6th is the, see, this is the 6th month of 6th. Okay. So how many currencies are there under this plant we are activated? So you can go for here. You can check for one is company code currency, one is group code currency. If you select for company code group currency, system will change here. So many stock and quantity everything. So you can select group currency, see it will change. Okay, like that. So then after that you can go for how many consumption are there. So you can check for one consumption for the, it is go for the preliminary valuation and price difference, and these are all the process. In FICO we will take care about any reporting they want for that material requirement, so we will go for that. Okay, so this is overall about material ledger activation. So you just remember always OMX1 FICO to activate the material ledger activation code. Okay guys, hello.
Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
you can go for back. See, if you go for back, so see, there is no master record. So in the 2003 for 2023 for RTP material, if you go for next for 4, it will show. These are these transactions. Okay. Hello. See. So now in 5th of month, see there are two quantities are there. You go for 4. There is no quantities are there. Okay. If you have any doubts in that, in the 2023 and month of 4th, how many material, how many quantities are there? If you have any doubts, directly go for CKM39, and here you can check how many quantities we are enter, and that one you can directly get it. And go for next month, we have to find out. So okay, this 5th month, there are two types, two piece we have received. So under that, 200 rupees. One piece having 100 rupees. Total is 200 rupees. Okay, you can click on in the recipient in the purchase order. Okay, you can go on here. So here, this is your goods receipt. It will shows. Okay, guys, click on here. See, your material ledger updated under the document, you are the user and the group currency USD. So this is your OTP material. Okay, one piece and 100 rupees for this one, and go for this here to get entire relevant to activity of this one. Okay, come back. So this is next goods receipt with respect to another purchase order. Okay, it will shows everything relevant to your quantity and how many quantities and which date. Means why it is not, because you have to know now in the which month and which year your stock will be any issuing, so you should be activated. It is recorded. Hello, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Hello.
okay.
Okay, that is a process. You just remember always you will be deploying the a support project. So in these cases, it is sometimes the PICO will take care about. Means he will responsible to what is the omni stock difference, anything happen for the reporting for the inventory, he will take care of that. In the sense you can like in the GL account with respect to he will take the stock everything. Okay. If it is in ECC screen, so it will not there. This one is not there. Okay, it is the teamwork too they will do. So for Vico will take care about it. Hello.
Okay.
Okay. So this is about entire your business process, and and tomorrow we have to all revision for entire process to for the theoretical background for all the process. Okay. So take care about it. If you have any doubts, please forward the screenshot. Okay, I'll be so tomorrow your last class, and one more thing. So I will provide your notes at 11th. Okay. So and then if you at what which day you want within this month for mock interview. Okay, for both Sharath and Vivek, I will give for 10 days only for mock interview. Once this mock interview is completed, so I will update your CV for your. I will tell you how to build your CV and then what is the correct answer. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
So these are all the
Yes, sir.
business process once you complete, because still having more business process and relevant to. So according to the support and based on your project, this much of is very high, and you are not able to do entire process. Okay, so under this having one process also you do. That's it. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay, if it is, I will just a minute. I will show. See, physical inventory, either they will give stock by stock inventory posting, either they will give the pricing procedure, they will not give. So it is already set it. And output message retrieval. Sometimes you are facing some user, they will facing some issue in the pricing procedure. So they having some documents, you just check it whether the PO go in the print or EDI based on the settings they will tell you. And giving the KT, they will enter, they will tell. And the batch management, it is in the every industry, in the mechanical industry, either pharmaceutical industry, they activate the batch management and which batch management this material is going on. So because you should know the checkbox. So while doing the user facing the means if the batch is not created, you will be go to the process and you will be update the users. So you just you will be like a help to users to creation of how to create PO, how to create split valuation, if it is assigned or not. The user once they create an evaluation type to valuation, they are assigning different valuation class. 3001 they will assign 300. So on that time you can go and change the valuation class. Like that MMPP. There are n number of so and you will be I will show you. So you will be deploying the project. My screen is visible now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Just just a minute. Okay. See. So this is all about the different team will be there. So we're deploying any project. So don't be nervous. So still you're getting. So I'll be there. So and also while getting support project. It's they will deploy project based on the if it is any project system. So that is one more scenario. SAP in project system. So he will always talk with some bidding process will come. For person, he is the responsible to tell the which plant under which what is the bidding process. So on that time they will fix one price. They have to do the PR always. Okay, PR and PO. That time process will come. So, and PP also integrate with So MMPP integration. So we're doing the production. He will do the batch also. Okay, so he will which batch you want to do start the production. So he will also help with for PP. And we'll move to the SD consultant. If you suppose the customer needs some quantity to transfer the one other plant, so on that time, on that kind of scenario will come. So SD persons will share the he will share the sales organization and distribution channel and division, under which division you want to share the, means you want to share stock can be moved. So he will integrate it under which plant, under which store location, under SD, okay, sales organization. So this is MMSD integration also there. So there, like there's n number of integrations. So you will be only responsible for MM relevant to creation of material code and PO. So it is like P2P process. This is all about your process. Okay, so just be go through once again revision every subject, sorry, every module. So some basic idea relevant, and after that you can go through thoroughly model. Okay, so and then you are get an idea relevant to for all process. So this is about this is the final touch for mental ledger activation. So why it is very important for every day, whatever the scenario you done, what are the material you created, every should be recorded. And if you have any doubts, you can go and directly see or go for CKM9. You can check under which year and which month what is the material. So enter process will be recorded. So this is in S4HANA only is there. So in ECC they are not follow. It is an optional. So here it is mandatory. Okay, remember. Okay, thank you so much. So tomorrow, hello, hello.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
tomorrow we have to discuss all the process relevant to all process. Okay. So I think tomorrow we end up this session. So and please write down. So regarding any topics relevant we have doubts, so please write down. So and at the time of interview we have to fix that one. Okay, issue any kind of activity. I'll be there. During the process, you can just message. Also, I will be reply. Okay. Hello, guys. Hello. Okay. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
okay, sir.
Have a great day. All the best to your future. Tomorrow, please join. Don't miss the session. Okay. Actually, today is the last day, so I need one more session. So tomorrow, we have just described. We have to enter process. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Have a great day. Bye. Yeah.